Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you cannot complete the daily task. It says it's not there. It says incomplete, but it's actually because you haven't completed the dance floor daily task yet. And to do that, you are going to select the daily tasks here. It wasn't really shown here. It says incomplete. For instance, you've done all three. If you scroll down, there's going to be a beat the dance floor, which you have to do on the dance floor and dance on the shells, which is in the lobby outside, like on the ship that they have. Ship. I actually don't like boat. I don't know the difference. Anyways, you actually have to scroll down and then beat the dance floor. There is now 4 daily tasks, so make sure you do that before you freak out and cannot complete the daily tasks for bonus rewards. So make sure you do all 4, because there was only 3, but now they added more shells to it, so you have 65 shells per day. I wish they added more, but I don't know why. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.